Hi, my name is Fionn and I'm the president for the Cardiff University Finance and Trading Society. In terms of the opportunities that we offer, we have the CFT Investment Fund, which is a investment fund that's open to beginners. What we do is we teach you how to create a stock pitch and present it to a group of people, and we post people's stock pitches on LinkedIn, so you get that professional exposure. We also have the CFT newsletter, which is a monthly publication written by students, for students and for professionals to see. In terms of the society, we host weekly events with industry professionals. So we have the likes of JP Morgan, UBS, Citi coming in weekly, and we basically speak to the professionals and basically allows us all gather together and enhance our network and listen to professionals and see how we can break into finance, because as we know, it is incredibly difficult to break in. We also host a podcast called the CFT Gaining an Edge. Basically what happens there is we flip the script. We talk to the professionals and we interview them so we can understand their motivations as to why they want to work in that particular industry and particular area. And what allows us to do then is basically understand how we are supposed to answer those frequently asked questions that come up in interviews. The Finance Society is open to undergraduates and postgraduates. The events that we hold, they are free. You do not have to have a membership, you just have to be a student of the business school to attend.